Folks, I just wanted to say before you get into this video that thank you very much for sticking by while I was not posting any videos. I had a very, very busy summer, followed by quite a busy fall, and then I kind of got burnt out at the beginning of this month of October. So I just needed some time for me, some me time. But I was filming while it was happening. I just didn't have any time to edit these videos. So I'll be posting these probably weekly. I have a lot of footage. So I'll be posting them. I'm probably gonna make it more like room by room instead of just like a big mix of whatever I was working on that week, just so that it makes a little bit more sense conceptually. But I hope you enjoy this video. This is our master bedroom that we will be moving into hopefully soon. We're just waiting to do flooring basically now, and then finishing off that wood wall, but everything else looking pretty good. Anyway, thank you very much. Enjoy the video. And we are back, baby. So, I did tape a little bit over to the left there, as you can see, because there is a big wall of wood there, and I did not want to get any paint even close to there. So that's why it's all taped up. And I didn't use any tape because you know how I feel about painter's tape now because of the travesty that happened in my living room. I will in the future be using tape just for the corners though, because I don't know, I find the corners very difficile to do properly without hitting the ceiling. So that's what's happening. And then obviously I'm filling it in. That's basically going to be this whole video, honestly. Like, it's just mostly painting and then a crap ton of me sanding that wood wall so that we can stain it a lighter color. I'm thinking like a piney, like an almost yellowish, but like a very light stain of pine, hopefully. I just think that kind of color will be a good way to counteract all the darkness that I'm giving this room right now, even though there is a really good source of light. We have a nice big window in this room, but I just think we need at least one wall that isn't a dark color. So that will hopefully be the wood wall when we're finished with it. This is just me going over. I needed 2 layers because I think I sort of started painting while the primer was still not quite dry that first time. So that's why there was some white splotches every now and then. And this is me sanding away. I made sure to have an open window and a respirator and goggles for most of this because there is so much wood particle flying around at any given second. So definitely wear your PPE if you're going to be doing this in your own home. This sander also made my arms feel like absolute jelly, so just like keep that in mind if you're ever going to be using an electric sander. I will recommend it over just manually sanding because I have wrist problems, but that's just me. Anyway, we're getting to the end of this video, so please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more of these. I got plenty more where this came from. Next, you'll probably see my music studio, which is almost ready. I'm so excited. So yeah, have a great day. Be sure to follow me on all my social medias. Listen to my music on Spotify under Sydney Riley. And have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.